Ayan ha, ikaw ang pinaka maro. Bantayan mo dahil, ikaw magpabadlong ha. Hindi ka magsigawas-gawas, okay? Sina. Bye-bye na. Bye na. See you in 4 months. Bye-bye. Ikaw naman, Bella. You're the newest and the youngest members of family. Dili magpabadlong ha. Sikag pangutkot. Okay? Bye-bye na, Daddy. Ha? Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Ikaw ang pinaka-ate ha. Sit down, sit down. Pikas. Very good. Alright. So, lakaw na, Daddy ha. Bantayan na mo dre ha. See you in 4 months. Bye-bye. Love you. Magpaka-ate ka ha. Bantayan na mo mga igsoon ha. Okay? Sige na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.